So what do we have here? From YouTube. Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100th? Your 1000th? Wow. Let's see what we have here. Well. Presented to Rabbi Manis Friedman for passing 100,000 subscribers from YouTube. It's a little mirror. This is really remarkable, because when we were in yeshiva and the Rebbe was urging us to dedicate our lives to teaching and sharing the knowledge, the understanding of Judaism, of Hasidic teachings, he really had to convince us and remind us and inspire us. And then at some point he said, there will come a time when you will beg me to give you these opportunities, because it is so rich, it is so good, it is so right. And we were very excited. We would do anything for the privilege of sharing our knowledge. And so 4,000 offices all over the world, dedicated men and women, families, even the children. And we were promised that although this is selfless work, but the world will appreciate it. Well, it took a few years, but this is the evidence. You're doing what you're supposed to be doing. You're doing what you were created to do. And you're thinking this is going against the grain. Who is going to appreciate this? Who is going to respond to this? And here, YouTube comes along and proves the point. Yes, the world appreciates it. The world rewards you. I'm not talking about the universe. Of course, it all comes from God. But that people appreciate, that people want to hear, because truth is truth. And there is nothing better. And when the world finally responds and says, yes, we do want to hear this. Well, the Rebbe's message to us has been finally and firmly vindicated. It's a message everybody wants to hear. And so it's not only good to know, seems like it's really crucial. It is absolutely necessary. In a world of confusion, YouTube, the internet, which we thought was all evil and destructive, has become a tool for the biggest, widest teaching of godliness ever. Well, maybe since Mount Sinai. So this is really exciting. And for all of those who are joining the project and supporting the project and making sure that the world gets to know what God needs us to know about Him and about His purpose and why we're here and what we're doing here and where we're going and where it's all going to end up. I want to thank you all and congratulate you all for having the good judgment of seeing a good thing and recognizing it and doing something about it. So let's continue. Let's consider this just a little booster, a little shot in the arm to do a lot more, because there's a big world out there And for everyone in the world, it is good to know. We have a Sunday night program for VIPs that you might be interested in. It's informal, it's questions and answers, it's conversation. It's really relaxed, it's really pleasant, enjoyable, informative, and kind of community-like. It's a Sunday night program. There's a Wednesday morning program for the VIPs, and there's a Wednesday night program. All of it just conversation, casual, laid back, unscripted. So join us, take a look, click the link below and see which of the three suits you best, and join us for some enjoyable conversation.